Okay everybody, so I'm literally sitting here editing the video that you're about to watch, and it occurred to me that there's a couple things I need to make really clear to you. I'm not planning on changing my content. My content's going to stay the same, but I am going to sprinkle some of these little episodes in from time to time, and I can't explain it. It's just something I feel inspired to do. I'm going to review some small local joints, kind of like at diners, drive-ins, and dives kind of thing. Some of this stuff's going to be right around my area. Some of this stuff's going to be in other areas when we travel. Some major food items that large fast food places release, and other neat things that you might find interesting, I don't know, or I might find interesting. So I feel inspired. I want to do it. I hope you'll tag along. I hope you'll enjoy it. And one more note, I know now after I made this video that it's not pronounced pho, it's pronounced pho, but take a look at the name of the place I reviewed and tell me if you'd have known the difference. Now enjoy the video. Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today we're going to do something I've been wanting to do for a while. We're going to do a restaurant review. I'm at Pho Square in Loves Park, Illinois, right on Riverside. This is about a 25-30 minute ride from my house. I've been here before. I love this place. This is one of 3 really good pho places in the area. But today, I'm going to give you a little review so that you can come check this place out and let me know what you think. Let's get inside. So there's not a lot of people in here yet, and I kind of feel weird talking. I don't want to be too loud, so I'm keeping it down. I hope you can hear me. My guy Santi took my order. What's up, Santi?
Not much, just taking orders.
All right. Love Santi. And this is like a walk up to the counter order. They give you this number, and then they come out and bring your food to you. So I did the chicken pho, extra spicy, and my wife did the, did you do chicken teriyaki or spicy beef something?
I think it's sweet onion.
Sweet onion beef, that's what she did. So we're just waiting on our food now. So there's the sweet onion beef. That smells and looks awesome. That's what my wife got. All right, and there's my chicken pho. They brought this out right away. Like this was like maybe 5 minutes of waiting, and it just smells delicious. There's that spicy beef. I'm gonna try some because I know my wife doesn't want to be on camera. Got a little bit of rice, a little bit of onion. That is really outstanding. Huge thumbs up, 2 thumbs up for that. Now, I took some footage. There's like a little condiment bar there. I got some jalapeno, some lime. There's already cilantro and stuff in here, so I like things spicy. Put all those jalapenos in, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime in here too. Try some of this. I mean, I've had this before, but I know it's good. It's absolutely delicious. The broth is really aromatic. There's a little sweetness to it, but it has such deep flavors. Noodles are awesome. Like I said, I've had it before. Noodles are awesome. Let me get some chicken here. It's super good. I ordered the hottest version of this. I think it's number 4. It's still, nothing's ever hot enough for me, so I added some sriracha. Okay, so by no stretch am I a pho connoisseur. I'm pretty much an everyday guy when it comes to food reviews too. But I'm gonna say that for Asian food, this was far and above the average. I mean, my wife's sweet onion beef, it delivered. The onions were sweet, but not too sweet. The beef was, I mean, you looked at the beef and it looked like beef. Sometimes you go to an Asian restaurant and you're like, no way, I'm not having the beef. This was really, really good. My pho, I love soup. I love spicy soups. And this place, out of all the ones that I've been to in my area, this is the best one. So I don't really know if I want to put a rating on this yet, because I'm not sure how this is going to go with the food reviews being on my channel. But I'm going to say that I would give this place at least a 9 out of 10, you know, for sure. The service was great, very friendly. Not only my guy Santi in there, but the other people that were here, the staff walking around making sure people were happy. Food was delivered quickly. It's a clean place. And I was gonna do a camera shot of the inside, but there was a lot of people in there and I didn't want to make anybody uncomfortable. So there's a lot of space in here. It's very cozy, it's clean, and I have to recommend this place, no doubt. So if you're ever in the area here, I'll put the address and all the info down in the description box below. If you're ever in the area, stop by and give this place a try, and tell my guy Santi I said hi if you see him, all right? Now, please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and please let me know. This is very different content for my channel. Let me know what you think and be honest down in the comments. Should I start a whole nother channel to do this? Or am I safe putting the stuff here? I don't want to lose the people that have been loyal to me. It's a big deal. I've told you all I want to do this full time someday. And this is just something that I've been inspired to do for a while, and I've just kind of been scared to put on my channel. But I want to try it and see what happens. So please be honest down in the comments and let me know what you think. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.